Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports satellite messaging and enabling the feature. Open Settings and follow the satellite setup flow. Once enabled, position yourself with a clear sky view and hold the phone steady. Satellite needs line of sight. Make sure battery is above half and cellular SIM is active so you can switch if needed. While you do this, note any on-screen prompts for permissions and emergency contacts. Granting them speeds the first connection. You initiate connection by opening Messages or the SOS satellite option and choosing the satellite sending mode. The app will show a moving satellite icon and an angle indicator. Once shown, slowly rotate and tilt your iPhone to align the indicator with the satellite path. Small adjustments matter. While you wait for registration, the phone will exchange handshake data. This can take a minute, so remain steady. If the app asks, grant location and permission. You finish by composing a concise message or using the emergency template and tapping send. The system will queue and transmit when the satellite link is stable. Once sent, confirm delivery and keep the phone pointed until confirmation arrives. If it fails, move to a more open area, remove obstructive cases, and retry. These quick physical changes often fix alignment. As a key troubleshooting tip, toggle satellite in settings or reboot your iPhone to reset the handshake if the session remains unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.